everyone. I have not been on here in a little bit, but we've been kind of busy. Blair, my daughter, had her 5th birthday party, which was nice. She had it at a bowling alley and we had some friends and family there, and also Belle was there, which is her favorite princess. And yeah, it was nice, and Blair dressed up like Belle as well, which was pretty cute. And yeah, it was a good time, and I'll probably insert some footage of that here. We got balloons. The cake is here. Some people. What are you looking for, Mama? Oh, she's down there.
I'll just put it up here.
Okay, thank you. Like that the last time we went. She just decided she was going to talk to her. She must be all hyped up on bowling. Ask Blair if we can. Let's ask Belle if we can take a picture. Is everyone ready to come sing?
Hey, we're going to sing. Blair, careful. Careful.
Light that 5, babe.
Back up, Blair. Back up,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blair. Happy birthday to you. Watch out, baby. Oh.
Thank you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Blair. Maybe like that.
No, we can't do that again. Also, we started fostering again. We have 2 4-week-old puppies, and we're also vacation fostering someone right now. So we have a lot going on. 4-week-old puppies are rough. They're eating like every 4 hours, and it's sad that they have to be away from their mom, but it wasn't going to, like, something happened, and that's why they came to the rescue group. So they won't be up for adoption until they're at least 8 weeks old. But I'm taking care of them. They're doing great. They're really sweet. They're both boys. They're like a golden retriever type mix, and they are so cute, you know, but you know, they do what every puppy does: poop, eat, take a nap, start over. So there's a lot of cleaning up after them.
They're kind of fun, Mama.
I know, they're very sweet.
Oh, they're really fun, Mama.
They're very gentle.
They're really fun too, Mommy. Oh, can I watch TV with them now?
Maybe. I'm going to grab a cup of coffee, then pick up Blair from her school. I might try to go to the car wash and get my car cleaned out. or at least clean it out a little bit before I pick her up. I'm trying to keep it cleaner, but I'm naturally apparently a very messy person, so it's hard. I went to sip and I got myself my favorite iced almond latte, and now it is so windy. I'm in the car wash, and yeah, it's giving different colors and washing the car off. I like this car wash because I get unlimited washes a month. I have this little sticker I just drive in, and then I go through, and then they have a section with garbage cans and vacuums for free, so that's nice. So I just get my car washed anytime I think that I use the trash can, or anytime that it gets like salty because it's winter.